everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sunamika and I hope everyone is doing great. I am doing great. So in today's video, as you all know, Nika sale is around the corner, so I thought why not I should recommend you all some of my favorite product that I absolutely love, or you have already seen it on my page. So yeah, I was very confused if I should actually shoot this video or not, because mostly whoever do these Nika recommendation video are usually paid, but of course this one is not paid. You're where is that Nika goodie? It's not here. So this means I absolutely love these. So basically it's mean that these are all my recommendation and it's not paid or something, anything like that. Before we actually get started, I want to let you all know that right now I'm at my house, so most of the product are not with me, so I might show few, or should I not, I'm not sure. So basically I have few products with me and I don't have most of the product with me. Maybe I will not show you all the product. I will just talk about the product and maybe add a clip or something like that. So yeah, so I have bunch of recommendation, so let's get started with the video. So the sale is starting from tomorrow, which is 18th of July, and today is 17. I'm shooting today, so hopefully by tomorrow I will try to upload this video so you can all see this. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so my first recommendation for this video is body washes. If you don't know, I love body washes and it's my absolute favorite thing because it's lift my mood. So yeah, these are the few body washes that I absolutely love and would recommend you all. The first one is Dove body washes. Anything Dove I absolutely love. This brand is so iconic. I love everything from this brand. So this specific one is my absolute favorite. I do have a empty bottom with me, but kaun nikal raha hai. So yeah, this is my absolute favorite product from them. This comes in like huge bottle. Actually अभी बहुत अच्छे दाम पे मिल जाएगा. The huge 1000 ml will cost you around 400 something, so I think it's a great deal. You should definitely grab this, and इतना बड़ा bottle will definitely last you like more than 6-7 months for sure. अगर 400-500 के अंदर नहीं मिल रहा तो do not buy it. Okay, I think मिंत्रा में भी बहुत अच्छे प्राइस में मिल जाता है, so check it before buying. That's what I would recommend. Just because I'm making this video does not mean that you have to grab from Nika itself. Just figure out कहाँ कौन सा सस्ता मिल रहा है. That's what I would say. Yeah. Okay, the next one is Dove body scrub. If you have not tried this yet, I think you're missing out something. Okay, I would not say that, but it's so good. It smells so good. It's exfoliate your body like, and your body will feel soft. It's exfoliate your body like really nicely, and your body will feel so soft, and that grainy texture, I love it. I love it. If you have not tried it, you should definitely try this. The third one is Be Body Wise body wash, that 1% salicylic one. Again, such a great product. If it's on sale, definitely buy this. It's such a great body wash. It has like 1% salicylic acid. It will exfoliate your body. This is like a chemical exfoliation and not the physical one. So yeah, it will help you with body acne, and if you have like strawberry legs, this is the product you need to try. I love this, and also it smells really nice, so I really love this product. If you have seen my previous video, you must know that I love this product. And the third one is Simple face wash. If you know this was coming, right? You know I love this facial. I can still show you, like I have 3-4 bottles empty, and of course I'm gonna restock this again. This is the most gentle face wash I have used in my entire life, and I've been using this face wash from the past 4-5 years now. 4-5 years now, around say, and I love this face wash. This is so gentle. It does not strip my face, and it's so good. So, and abhi guess what, I still have that product in my wish list. Though face wash, that combo one would cost me around like 400, and individual एक product like 4 something का है. If I'm getting 2, I'm definitely gonna buy. So yeah, I'm restocking this one for sure. fourth one is Dermaco AHA BHA. If you have seen my vlogs and all, then you have seen that I have used that, and it's been like more than a year or so I've been using that, and it's really nice. It's if you're looking for a chemical exfoliation, great. If you have not started, go with the 15%. If you have been using it, then definitely go with the 30%. I use the 30% one. Love it. Gently exfoliate कर देता है, वाइट हेड ब्लैक हेड रिमूव करने में अच्छा काम करता है, एंड ब्राइटन भी कर देता है फेस. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ रियली ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. So the next product is Bath and Body Work. If you know me, you know me. I love this Bath and Body Work, and I still have this with me. Let me show you. अभी मैंने 2 और लिया है. This is the Jasmine Japanese Cherry Blossom. I love this. I think I'm gonna grab this. अगर मुझे 800 के अंदर मिल गया तो मैं ले लूँगी, अगर नहीं मिला तो नहीं लूँगी. I love them. Like कुछ ही अच्छे हैं, to be honest. सारे अच्छे नहीं हैं, मुझे like इतना स्वीट फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है. सो आई लव दिस वन एंड द गिंघम वन, दैट ब्लू बॉटल. दिस इज माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. ये थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया है, बट आई लव दिस. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज डॉक्टर शेख विटामिन सी ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर. हियर I have this with me. I love this moisturizer. You know this was also coming your way. You have just seen me using this one. Like मैं इसे यूज़ करते रहती हूँ. दिस इज़ लाइक माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. मैंने बहुत सारे बॉटल ख़त्म किए हैं इसके, एंड आई एम गोना बाय दिस अगेन. ये ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने वाला है, तो मुझे ले लेना चाहिए आई गेस. इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर, देन दिस इज़ द वन. दिस इज़ लाइट वेट बट hydrating, so I really love this one. The next product is L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Moisture Hydra Filling Night Cream. This is a leave-in condition. I absolutely love this. I have finished like bottles of this one again. Such a great product. I love it. It makes my hair soft. मैं अकेले इसे use नहीं करती हूँ. I use it with my Tresemme hair serum. This one, let me show you. Yeah, I use this one and this one एक साथ mix करके, and my hair, okay, and right now it does not look good, I know, because of this weather, humid weather. Oh my god, my hair is going through something. So yeah, अगर मैं ये दोनों यूज़ करती हूँ, my hair looks soft, shiny, smells good. और क्या ही चाहिए. So if you are looking for something like this, go grab these two products. This product is Plum Body Mist and Perfume. I love Plum, so to be honest, especially this category जो उन्होंने लाया है, I have so many of them. Like especially I have loved Hawaii Rumba and Caramello or like Vanilla Vibes. I don't know, कोई तो एक है मेरे पास. I love them. You can grab these perfume like सस्ते दाम में इतना बढ़िया fragrance, and it will last you. ऐसा नहीं है कि सस्ता है तो, and it does not smell like alcoholic. So I really love them. So you can also grab these if you're looking for a good sasta fragrance. Another product that I absolutely love, and I've finished like 2-3 bottles of this one अब तक तो, it is Be Body Wise Roll On. क्या bomb product है guys. I love it. It smell. I have usually get the fresh one. पहली बार वही लिया and I loved it and I keep on buying this one. अब मैंने कोई other variant नहीं use किया. It has like floral and watermelon and something like that, but I use the fresh one. It smells so good, and ऐसा नहीं है वो कुछ घंटों बाद चला दे. It will stay there the whole day. So if you are like someone who sweat a lot, underarm odor would be gone. So get this, and yeah, get this. It's a great product. I love it. You will love it, I know. So the next product is Wishcare Hair Growth Serum. I have already talked about this product. I love this product. Most of the people love this product and they enjoy this product. Only if you stay consistent with this product, then only it will show you result. If you are someone like me, आज लगाया कल नहीं लगाया, then it would be a waste of money for you. But if you can commit to this product, it will do wonders for you. मैं तो कभी रह नहीं पाई, इसलिए it didn't really actually worked for me. But there was a time when I actually purchased this. जब मैंने खरीदा ही था, तो I used it for like a month or so, and my baby hair was growing out from this area. So yeah, if you can stay consistent, get this. So the next product is Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. आई थिंक ये अच्छे सेल पे है, आई गेस आई जस्ट सॉ इट. And you know that it's one of my favorite foundation. It's super lightweight, feels like nothing, एकदम soft. The finish is so good, semi matte finish है. So yeah, if you're looking for a good affordable foundation, go for it. Another foundation that I would like to recommend is from K Beauty. If you're someone who is into dewy base, then this is the product for you. Okay, this is such a great product. I love this foundation. I love my Maybelline one as well and this one as well. And today when I want like a dewy base, this is the one. Foundations would blend into your skin like so. Get this if you want a good dewy base product. Katrina has nailed this. Okay, another product from K Beauty that I would like to recommend, K Beauty concealer. क्या product है भाई. Blends beautifully, affordable and like shades भी अच्छे खासे launch किया है Katrina. Yeah, if you're looking for an affordable yet beautiful concealer, get this one. And guess what, ये पहला concealer या कोई makeup product है जो actual में ख़त्म होने वाला है मेरा. So this is the product that I absolutely love. Oh हो मम्मी अच्छा सुंदर प्लेट में लेकर आई. तुमको पता था वीडियो में डालेंगे इसलिए ना. आई एम बैक फ्रॉम अ मिनी ब्रेक. So the next product is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Serum Foundation. I just got it like a few 15-20 days back and I have been using it since the day I have bought it. Okay, it's great product until unless you are from a very humid place. The formula is super lightweight, it's blend beautifully, and if you're someone who's looking for a day-to-day product, then this is the one. Only thing I don't like about this product is that it has a lot of fragrance and the packaging is also a bit messy. The shade range they have launched in India, so I'm not really happy with these three things. Other than that, it's a great product. I love it. The next product is Roman Juicy Lasting Thing. I don't know if it has like great offer, but if it is, then definitely get this. I don't know if you guys know, but I love Roman Juicy Lasting Thing. It's my absolute favorite lip tint, and I'm usually wearing lip tint only, either the Mars one or the Roman one. If you know, you know. And I love that. I would mention the shade in the description. Make sure to check the description box before you leave. The next product is Skin 104 Centella Light Cleansing Oil. मैंने अभी recently ही छोटा वाला लिया and I loved it. Easily remove my makeup, super gentle. But I think I don't know if it was the first time I have used it or what, but ना मेरा skin थोड़ा सा red हुआ था. But after that, the next time I used it, it didn't happen. So maybe do like a test patch or something if you have very sensitive skin. Yeah, I love this cleansing oil. I'm definitely buying a bigger one. The next product is Wishcare Sunscreen. I recently got a sample or something और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. I loved it. So I'm definitely buying this one like in a full size. Super lightweight. It's literally like water, not really, but like a milk, and super lightweight. So if you're someone who's looking for a lightweight sunscreen, then I think you're gonna love it. I really loved it. इतना छोटा सा सैम्पल मिला था मुझे जो मुझे दिख नहीं रहा कहाँ गया. मैं आधा चीज़ें कहाँ रख देती हूँ, मुझे कुछ मिल जाएंगी. Anyway, so yeah, I got this like in recently एक package में and I really loved it. So I'm definitely getting this, and you should also if you are looking for a lightweight sunscreen. The next product are from ELF. If you're planning to get something from ELF, they will definitely have like buy one get one, something like this. So definitely get ELF K blushes, ELF ka lip oil, and even this one. I have this one with me, the Halo Glue. Oh god, all the product from ELF is so good. I really loved it. And definitely buying one more lip oil for sure. कि product बहुत अच्छे होते हैं and I love everything from ELF. I would recommend getting this, even the blush, and where is the lip oil? Yeah, this. And I have not tried. I have heard such great about reviews about the gripping primer, so I'm planning on getting that. Of course, I'm buying another lip oil, the shimmery one. So yeah, definitely buy it because buy one get one पे रहेगा तो ये time तो like it's a steal. So definitely get your hand on this. So the next product is Toly Moly Toner. If you know, ये 1500 का है and but अभी आपको 900 रुपीज़ में मिलने वाला है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट डील. आई लव दैम. मेरे पास 3-4 डिब्बे ख़त्म हो चुका है अब तक. एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस. अनदर वन, लेट मी शो यू. गिर गया, ख़त्म. आई एम गोना ऑर्डर 2 of these. like 900 पड़ रहा है तो बहुत अच्छा प्राइस पे मिल जाएगा. तो आई एम गोना गेट this big ass huge bottle though. So I'm definitely would recommend you all, if you're looking for a good toner for your everyday use, this is. And the next one is from something from Cosrx. It's the snail mucin. I love this. I have finished 2 bottles of this one, so I really love this. There's different type of review in the market, so I don't know if it would actually suit you. People say it does anything, but for me it hydrates my skin really well. So winter आने वाले, तो this is something I'm gonna love using. I know for sure. ये इतना हाइड्रेटिंग है, तो मैं विंटर में हमेशा इसे एज अ लेयर यूज़ करती हूँ टू लॉक इन द मॉइस्चराइजर. सो आई डेफिनेटली लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो या, until unless you will try this, you would not know if you would actually like it or not. So I don't know, but I love this. I would recommend it. So yeah, these are all my recommendation for this video. So yeah, take note, do all your research before buying anything. मैं महीनों पहले से ऐड करके रखती हूँ एंड देखते रहती हूँ एंड मेक श्योर दैट मैं क्या खरीद रही हूँ क्या नहीं. So yeah, just because sale है तो लेने का ज़रूरी नहीं है. You have to get this. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.